Microscopes are essential tools used in various scientific fields to observe objects that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. The compound microscope is one of the most commonly used types. It uses multiple lenses to magnify the specimen and provide a detailed view. The electron microscope is a powerful tool that uses a beam of electrons to create highly detailed images of specimens. It is used in fields like biology and material science. The scanning electron microscope provides a 3D view of the specimen's surface by scanning it with a focused beam of electrons. The transmission electron microscope allows scientists to study the internal structure of specimens by transmitting electrons through them. The confocal microscope uses a laser to scan the specimen point by point, creating high-resolution images and enabling 3D reconstruction. The fluorescence microscope uses fluorescent dyes to label specific structures or molecules within a specimen, making them visible under specific wavelengths of light. The polarizing microscope is used to study the optical properties of minerals and other materials by analyzing how they interact with polarized light. The phase contrast microscope enhances the contrast of transparent specimens by exploiting the differences in refractive index within the specimen. The dark field microscope is used to observe unstained specimens that are difficult to see under bright field illumination, providing a contrasting image.